Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately with the essentials: a CR2032 battery, a small flathead, and a clean table. Remove the emergency key from the F150 fob. You will feel a notch where it releases. Once done, insert the screwdriver into that slot and twist gently. Do not force it. The case will separate along the seam. Make sure to work slowly to avoid cracking the plastic and keep both halves face up so the internal circuit stays in place. With the case open, lift the circuit board just enough to access the battery. You need to see which side is facing up so orientation stays correct. Remove the old CR2032 using the screwdriver edge or your thumbnail. Insert the new battery into the clip, making sure it snaps into place and sits flat. This ensures consistent contact. While you have it apart, check the metal contacts. If they look dirty, clean them gently with a 70% isopropyl swab to improve connectivity. Put the circuit back into the bottom half, align the top cover, and press the fob closed until it snaps. You should feel even pressure along the seam. Reinsert the emergency key. Test the fob from about 3 to 5 feet. Lock, unlock, and panic. If it works, you're done. If not, open it again, reseat the battery, and reclean the contacts. Make sure the battery sits flat. If problems persist, reprogramming or checking for damaged contact may be necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.